Hello reception children, it's Charlie here from music. So if you're in the Ruby class, or you're in the Emerald class, or even the Diamond class, or the Butterflies, or the Dragonflies, or any other reception class in Bristol, hello, we're going to do some music together. So I just wonder, and I want to see, because I know you've done a lot this year and can remember so many things, I want to see what you can remember about music. So if I was to play my piano like this, you would probably say it is loud music. So there's a special word that we learnt together which means loud. It begins with a f. So maybe we should say it together after three. 1, 2, 3. Forte! There it is. Well done. And I'm sure you remember the quiet music. Some quiet music there for you. What do you think? I'm actually playing it on an instrument that has the same name as this word, and it begins with a P, piano. There you go, I said it quietly. So, that is loud and quiet. Forte and piano. Something else that we learned together about the music, sometimes the music is very high notes. Sometimes the music is very low. Sometimes it's in between. La 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 la. So if I play a high note, I wonder if you can recognise it. What about this note? It's not low or high, it's somewhere in the middle. And what about this one? Yeah, that's a low note, very low. And with instruments, sometimes big instruments make a low note, and sometimes very small instruments make a high note. This is quite a small instrument, this recorder. Makes quite high notes, doesn't it, this pink recorder? I've got a brown one as well. I'll put those away. One of the things that we have been doing over the last couple of months is, it's sunny outside, winter is over, we have been singing songs about spring. There are 4 different flowers of spring that we've been looking at. I've just printed off the 4 flowers of spring and they go like this. Here is the first one. Bluebell. The second one is a big yellow one, daffodil. Then we've got the crocuses. They could be white, they could be purple, or they could be yellow. That's crocuses. And then the last one, it's last in the song, but it comes out of the ground first of all. It's called a snowdrop. So that's the first part of the song. Shall we sing it together? You probably remember it. Let's just change my position here so I can play the piano. Bluebells and daffodils, crocuses and snowdrops. Bluebells and daffodils are growing in the ground. Shall we sing that again? Bluebells and daffodils, crocuses and snowdrops. Bluebells and daffodils are growing in the ground. Well, the next bit is talking about the animals that come to life in springtime. The first one is white and fluffy, and it's in the fields. I know that's my hand, but it's supposed to be a little lamb playing. Little lambs are playing. Something else happens to chickens. They lay an egg, and the egg breaks, and then what comes out? Little chicks are hatching. Okay, so we've got little lambs are playing, little chicks are hatching, little tweet tweet, little birds are singing. Spring You only have to look out of the window. Trees getting greener. We've got all the things in the song that we've mentioned. Spring is all around. So, shall we try that song together? This is the second half. Goes a bit higher. Little lambs are playing, little chicks are hatching, little birds are singing, spring is all around. So the whole thing. Bluebells and daffodils, crocuses and snowdrops, bluebells and daffodils are growing in the ground. Little lambs are playing, little chicks are hatching, little birds are singing, spring is all around. Well done with your spring song. I hope you enjoyed singing that. Shall we do it one more time? Come on, let's do it. Bluebells and daffodils, crocuses and snowdrops, bluebells and daffodils are growing in the ground. Little lambs are playing, little chicks are hatching, little birds are singing, spring is all around. So I was looking out of the window when I sang that. And I could see my neighbour's rabbit in its little hutch enjoying spring. So I felt very spring-like when I was singing that song. Well, everybody, you've listened really well. You've probably heard enough of my voice now. So one more thing we're going to do together, which we always do in our music sessions, is sing the goodbye song. Here it goes. 1, 2. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. More singing, more playing, we'll do some more next time. Bye bye, see you soon.